Good morning, class. Today we're going to do a project that will kind of give you an introduction to researching in geography. The research project is going to be, I think it'll be fun for you to do. What you're going to do is you're going to search for 3 places that you would like to travel to in the United States. That would be just to go visit, or vacation, whatever. Now, I want you to pick places that you have not been to. That is the main thing. We want to find new places for you to go look. Now, once you find those places, you're going to answer a few questions about each of the places. The first question says, why do you want to go there? It could be anything. You want to go see the culture, you want to try the food, you want to go do an outdoor activity, you want to go shopping, whatever it may be. Why do you want to go there? The next thing is, what time of the year do you want to go? You want to pick a time of the year that you would get the most out of that experience. If it was something outdoors, you know, it might be that you want to go when it's snowing so you can ride snowmobiles. So you'd want to pick the winter time. Whatever it might be, but what time of the year do you want to go to that place? The third thing is, how would you travel there? Now, most people travel by cars, but you could also fly, or you could take a train. Not many people take trains anymore, but you can get on an Amtrak train or whatever and go that route. Now, we're going to use a few tools to do the research. Of course, the first thing is we have the internet. You can type in places and you can see if you would like to go to that place. For example, you could put down Denver, Colorado. There it is right here. And when it comes up, one of the first websites usually is Denver, Colorado Vacations and Conventions Visit Denver. So it's kind of their website to bring people in. You can click on it and there's things to do, events, hotels. Most major cities have these type of websites, so you might find something that you would want to do. Here's something right here, 5 ways to fall in love with red rocks. And you can see all the red rocks over here. So, this is one tool that we can use, is just the internet. Another tool that you can use is Google Earth Pro. Right here we have the United States. And like I said, we had Denver. So we come over here to Colorado. There's Colorado, and you just keep zooming in, and here is Denver right here. So I could look in and say, hey, I can see mountains over here. That'd be cool. And you can zoom in. You can see different things. Let everything load up. Okay, here is like a wellness center. You zoom in right here, you have a fun center, Jump Street Fun Center. They have other little highlights. Let's see what. That is nothing. Here's another attraction, Colorado Clash. So you have different things that you can look at, if you want to. Here's some more, Water World, Boondocks Fun Center. But you can say, all right, I want to be up in the mountains, or I want to go down to the coast, see the ocean. So you come down here to like Gulf Shores, Orange Beach. There's Gulf Shores right there. So you can use Google Earth to find places. You can use the internet. But the main thing is find 3 places that you would like to go visit or vacation, whatever, somewhere that you have not been before. Okay, and you've got Google Earth, you can use the internet and find these places. Remember, you're going to have to answer some questions about this. Now, I have prepared a little PowerPoint that I'm going to show you. That's how I did my project. You do not have to do a PowerPoint. To do this, you can write it down with pencil and paper, or you can do a PowerPoint, or whatever you want to do, a graphic organizer or something. But you can do something to answer these 3 questions and do this little project. The slideshow that I prepared is very simple. We're going to start it right here. And it says 3 places I would like to visit by Coach Harless. Now my next screen, where to go. And I just put a map of the United States because that's what the project is. 3 places in the United States that I would like to travel to. So, I'm going to count down from 3 to 1. So, my 3rd place would be Key West, Florida. Look at the ocean and the beaches. Is that not beautiful? I found this off of Google Earth. I was like, never been there. The water looks amazing. That'd be nice. So, answers to the questions. Again, why would I want to go to Key West? Well, I would like to go to Key West to enjoy the beach, the ocean, food, and the sun. I also like to fish a little bit, and I bet I could probably do a little fishing also. When would I like to go to Key West? I would actually like to go during the winter months. It gets cold here. I get tired of the cold. So I would like to go down to Key West, around the ocean, in the wintertime. I think down there, you can go back and do a little research. You know, in the wintertime, it's still hitting the upper 70s, low 80s. So it would be a nice little vacation, get away from the cold, get down there in the sun, and enjoy myself. Now, the next thing is, how would you get to Key West? I would choose to fly into Key West. Now, if I can get out of this real quick, I'll come back to it. Back on Google Earth, I know that Key West is right down here off Florida, and I would fly in to the airport. You can see, right. So that is my 3rd destination. My number 2 destination would be Missoula, Montana. I would like to go to Missoula to see Glacier National Park. I would like to go in the summertime. It gets very hot down here in Arkansas, and I would like to go up to Montana where it's not as hot. And Glacier National Park means there's going to be a lot of ice, so it will be cool. So it would be a nice, refreshing trip in the summertime to go somewhere where it was cooler. Now, I would drive to Missoula, Montana, because there is a lot of scenery between Arkansas and Montana that I would just enjoy looking at. So that is my number 2 destination. And my number 1 destination is Quincy, Illinois. Now, you can see by the picture, it's got a big buck. Well, I like to deer hunt. And Quincy, Illinois is in one of the hottest deer hunting counties in Illinois. Also in the country. They produce many Boone and Crockett, Pope and Young deer. So I would like to go to Quincy to deer hunt. During the fall is when I would take my trip because that is deer season. And I would have to drive because I would have to bring my deer home. So, that is my little PowerPoint. You can see that it is really not that much to do. The main thing is I would like for you to get used to researching. Now, again, you have Google Earth, and it is nice to use because you can find places, and you can find little lakes, rivers, whatever, places in the city. That is one of the tools. Also, just using the internet. So let's go over this one more time. You are going to search for 3 places that you would like to travel to in the United States. You're going to pick places that you have not been to. You are also going to answer the 3 questions. Why do you want to go there? What time of the year do you want to go there? And how would you travel there? You can make a PowerPoint. You can write it down on a piece of paper. However you would like to present this information, you can do that. So what I want you to do is I want you to take the rest of the class, get on your laptops and search and find and do what you want to do. Okay? Go where you want to go, places that you would like to see, a vacation that you would like to take. You don't have to ask your neighbor where they're going. You do it for yourself. Okay, y'all get to work, and we'll have this done at the end of class.